said, sir?
Yeah, you better just get in the house, hunker down.
Who?
Yeah, it's gonna be alright.
No, he's coming right back.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy you. The only thing you gotta worry about is tornadoes. That happens, ain't shit you can do. You can be a brick freaking home, it don't matter. Oh, you from LA? Hi, we're out here at Naco's on Grand Caillou Road in Houma, Louisiana. We're out here serving our community. We love everyone here, so we want to make sure that they have gas for their generators and they have their essentials that they need. We're working hard. We're going to stay here as long as we can, open as long as we can to get, to take care of our people.